Good afternoon, my name's Diana Eslin. I'm with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. I'm really happy to have this used 2017 Wildcat. It's made by Forest River. It's one of our new arrivals. Very excited about it. It has LED lighting, has a big storage area here. That's an area for your generator. Has an automatic manual cutoff switch. This is where your propane tanks are. There's one on each side, so it balances your load. Here we have our crawl through underneath storage. Wildcat Maxx. So it's a F262 RGX, Forest River. Come on in, let's check it out. So here we have the rear kitchen, corner kitchen, which is really popular right now. It's a space saver. It's got lots of counter space. It has a 3-burner Suburban stove with a larger than normal oven, exhaust fan, and your high point microwave oven. And here we have our refrigerator, freezer. Very nice. This is what I call gently used, which we get them in quite often. We have a U-shaped dinette set here, makes into a bed as well. We have some really nice, this couch makes into a bed. Solid, very solid cabinetry. Nice color, medium dark, not too, medium brown, not too dark. So here we have more above the stove. We have a nice big flat screen TV with the stereo AM FM DVD player, and it has a nice little space heater. These actually heat up the whole coach. They not only look pretty, but they really work. So we have, this is where our panel is. Forest River, good quality place to put some books or magazines. So we could come up here. We have a Jack and Jill bathroom with the full-size shower. Nice little sink and porcelain on the tank here. Very high quality. So now we have here, we come into the bedroom. We have a full-size Serta pillow top bed, walk around on both sides with nice big closets. And here it has a charging center, USB ports for charging, and cigarette lighter here. And that's your outlet, your 110 outlet. It also has reader lights, a flat screen TV. It looks like it's been gently used. It still has a sticker on it. So if you're looking for a really good deal on a used RV, come to Junction City and talk to Diana at Fifth Wheels, and we'll make you a great deal on a used trailer, used fifth wheel. Thank you. Have a great day.